Hi everyone. This tutorial is going to show you how to search within EBSCO Explora, and then it's going to show you how to refine your search by Lexile, date, also by the source type, and then it's also going to show you how to really quickly just copy and paste an MLA citation into Noodle Tools. All right, let's get started. Go to the library homepage and select right where it says EBSCO Explora. When you get to this page, you can see you could do a simple search right in the search bar right here, or you can go down and take a look at the different genres. For example, let's say I'm looking for information on Jane Goodall. Well, I would type in here Jane Goodall and do a search within the biography section. From here, I'm going to get some really great options. There are books by Jane Goodall that are available in ebook version, etc. The other way is to do a search up here in the search bar. Now, once you do this, you're going to get all sorts of, there's over 2,343 sources about Jane Goodall. So the first thing I want to do is make sure I select full text, limit to full text. Maybe I will just try magazines. And then after that, scroll down and pick Lexile Range. The Lexile Range 901 up into 1100 is a really good Lexile range for middle school students. So now it's narrowed down now to 86, which is great. So what I might do is just use the scrub bar to just change the date to something that's more recent, so I'm not getting older versions of articles. And then I also might do by the date newest, so I get the most recent. Well, here's one. It's from Time Magazine a few years back. I like that. So when I click on that and select, I see that I have an option of seeing the PDF full text version, which is just like the magazine. And this is actually right out of the magazine. And I see that this is an entire piece that has been written by Jane Goodall. It talks about social media, the power of young people as she talks about roots and shoots. This is fantastic. I know I'm going to use this in my research paper. So I have so many options. I can save it onto Drive over here on the right. I can print it. I can email it to myself. So you can just click email and then you open it up and you can email it to your school email address, or you can place it in a file. But what I want to talk about is this little square yellow box. That gives you citation options. And since we're using MLA, just simply copy and then open up your Noodle Tools, new source, database, magazine, and then this is the part that's really important. Copy and paste a citation. And then right down here where it says manually edited citation, you paste it. Make sure you review what's here in the yellow pink box and click save. And voila, here are all of my really great resources that I got from EBSCO Host on Jane Goodall. The great thing is I can print my works cited, I can export it, and that's all I have to do. I don't have to manually create a works cited. I hope this has been helpful. EBSCO Explorer is a fantastic resource, and the more you get to practice it and use it, the better results you're going to get. Good luck in your research. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.